Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sell your Bitcoin on crypto.com step by step. Our first step being that you opened up crypto.com and you click on sell. Once you've clicked on sell, you give it some time to load up the cryptocurrency assets you currently possess, and as you can see here, we have them listed out. So you click on Bitcoin, and we're going to be selling our Bitcoin into USDC. So we'd go from all the Bitcoin we possess to USDC. You click on max, you click on sell. Now you're taken to the sell order where we have the rate, the fee, and the method in which we're selling. You simply click on confirm, enter your passcode. There's a timer running, it starts from 16 seconds. But with that, we've successfully sold our BTC. As you can see, it wasn't a difficult task to accomplish. It's quite simple. You click on sell, select the cryptocurrency asset you wish to sell it to, and it's done. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can sell your Bitcoin on crypto.com, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.